Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever struggled with resizing images inside Inkscape and ended up with distorted dimensions or pixelated outputs? In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to resize an image in Inkscape properly using both manual and precise methods. Whether you are working on a logo, a web graphic, or a complex illustration, this tutorial covers everything you need to keep your designs crisp, proportional, and perfectly measured. If this video helps you master your workflow, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more professional design tips. Let us jump right in. To begin, open Inkscape and import your image by navigating to File, then Import, or simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+I. Once your image is on the canvas, ensure your selection tool is active by pressing S on your keyboard. Now let us look at manual resizing. Click your image to reveal the scaling handles. If you want to scale the image while keeping its proportions locked, hold the Control key down on your keyboard and drag any corner handle. This prevents the image from warping. If you prefer to stretch the image, simply drag the side handles instead. For those wanting to resize from the center point rather than the opposite corner, hold the Shift key while dragging. Now, if you need absolute precision, look at the Tool Controls bar at the very top of your screen. You will see W for width and H for height. Click the small lock icon between these two fields to ensure your aspect ratio remains constrained. Input your desired values and switch your measurement units like pixels or millimeters to match your project needs. For even more control, use the Transform panel. Go to Object and select Transform, or hit Ctrl+Shift+M. In the Scale tab, you can input exact percentages and hit Apply to instantly resize your object. A quick pro tip for you. If you need your document workspace to automatically match the size of your new image, head over to File, open Document Properties, and click on Resize Page to Content. Keep in mind that for raster images like JPEG or PNG, scaling them significantly larger can lead to pixelation. If you need infinite scalability, I highly recommend using the Trace Bitmap feature under the Path menu to convert your image into a vector. Master these shortcuts and your workflow will become incredibly fast. If you found these tips helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more design tutorials. See you in the next one.